This is second grade Go Math lesson 5.2, and today we're going to break apart numbers to subtract. Again, the directions say break apart the number you are subtracting, write the difference. Now it's very similar to yesterday's homework. The only difference mainly is the fact that we're going to be using numbers we're subtracting from that are double digits instead of single digits. Yesterday we just had, for instance, like a 9 or a 5 here, but now we have 14. So I'm going to show you a way to do this using the number line and use it without the number line. So the first thing we got to do is we're going to look at the ones here. I have 1, 1. And before I just break apart, say I put a 1 over here, I'm going to break apart the 10. Now you might want to put the 10 over here. It might help you put it over here. Whatever works best for you is what I suggest to do. I'm going to put the 10 over here, and I'm going to put 4 over here. So I'm breaking apart 4 plus 10 makes 14. We're going to break apart one more time. I know it seems like a lot, but I'm going to use the 1 there because that's how many I have here, and then I have 3 left. So I'm going to cross out this 1 here. I'm going to cross out the 1 here. I'm also going to cross out this 4 and the 14 because I'm not using any of those. So now I have 80 minus 10. And remember, I still have this 3 here. 80 minus 10 equals 70. And then I have 3 left I need to subtract. And actually I shouldn't write it like this because these two are not equal to each other. 70 minus 3, if I count back, would be 67. 1, 2, 3, 67. Now, like I said, there's different ways you could do this. That might be a little lengthy for you. I could start at 81 here and take away 10. So 81 down to 71. Boom. So now I have 71. I need to take away 4 more because I broke apart this before. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I have my answer is 67, as you see there. Let's do another one. Let's do number 5. Actually, let's do one that doesn't have 81 there. A lot of these have the same numbers, mainly because the number line they could only fit so many numbers on the number line here. So let's do the one with 84. 84 minus 19. So again, I'm going to break this into tens and ones. Is basically what I'm doing. So I'll do it the opposite way I did it before. So I'll put the 10 over here, because sometimes people are just used to having the tens on the left, and I'll put the ones over here. Now, I'm going to go ahead and jump up and show you on the number line how we could do that. And we could go 84. I have 84. If I'm subtracting 10, I know I'm going to have the same amount of ones, so I'm just going to go to 74. That would be the next 10 down. This is the 70s after the 80s. After that, I'm going to go 9 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I got 65. So let me show you the other way. I kind of did a flip-flop from what I did before, just showing different ways. So we got 65 for the answer there. Let's see if we get the same thing when we do it this way. So again, I have 4 ones, so I'm going to break this apart. I'm going to do this slightly different than I did up here, as I think it'll be a little bit faster. It just came to me. If I take away a 10 here, and I take away a 10 here, now I have 74. So I'm just going to put my 7 up there. I'm going to put 4 right here. And 4 plus 5 is what makes 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's where I got my 5 from. Excuse me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross these 2 4s out. Now I'm going to have 70 here. So I've taken away 14. Come back and focus. I'm going to take away I took away 14 from 84, now I have 70. Now, cross this one out, cross these out, I have 5 left. So 70 minus 5. And this actually is a little bit better way to do it than I did up here, I think. So 70 minus 5, again, is 65. Now, I like doing this because sometimes you're not going to have a number line to do everything. So you can do this with just pencil and paper. And I like that a little bit better just because of that. But I got the same answer. And that is how you break apart numbers to subtract.